Hey guys, welcome to Chasing Dreams for You. So this is me Harini. This video is top 5 free study apps for UPSC CSE. So this video is going to be in portrait mode as I will be taking you through those apps. So I have divided these apps in such a way that one is for test series, one is for video lecture and one is for PDF books, and you can also find the syllabus there and the book list as well for the various subjects. And then one is exclusively for previous year test papers and one is for study material. So make sure that you watch the video till the end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without much delay, let's get into the video. So the first app is Yojana. This is completely free app for test series. What I like about this app is that here you have the test series for free of cost related to various topics like history, polity, general science, economics, geography, and you can also get the past 5 years test papers. And here you have negative marking. If you want, you can turn them off as well. And the second app is UPSC Adrif. This is for video lecture. Here in this app, you get free video lessons and notes in the document form. When it comes to the test series, only 3 test series relating to Indus Valley Civilization is free and few more. And for the rest, you have to pay. I chose this only for the video lectures and the notes. So this made into the list. But the notes that they provide are definitely worth it. So you can go through them. Third app is UPSC AllinOne. So this app is for PDF books, question paper and book list. As the name itself suggests, this app is a one-stop destination where you can find everything from NCERT PDF links, book list for prelims and mains, syllabus. This app not only has PDF links for NCERT but also for the standard book. So this is the specialty of this app and you can find this in the books category. And you will also find previous year question paper for prelims and mains. Fourth app is all UPSC Papers, prelims and mains. This app is for previous year test papers. This app is a one-stop destination for question papers. For prelims, you have both GS1 and GS2 along with the answer key. So this is what impressed me. And you can also download them from there and read them offline. You get question paper for prelims, mains and various optional subjects in one place. Fifth app is free UPSC study material. So this app is for study material. Here you get study material for NCERT, standard books, Yojana, kurkshetra. Speciality of this app is that you can download them and read them offline. So that's it guys. These are the top 5 free apps for UPSC CSE. I hope you like this video and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.